So someone created a personal AI assistant that you can download to your laptop. And I think that's the coolest thing ever. Because I was working on something personally myself like that for my phone, but you can do it on your laptop. And I've been looking into it. A lot of technical people, coders, developers are saying people like me, non-technical people, shouldn't mess with it because downloading it on your laptop, giving it access to personal files, keys, passwords, emails, and any of that stuff that you access on your laptop could be dangerous because you don't know the security guidelines or how to set the security guidelines, or if something goes wrong that you will have to fix. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what OpenClaw is in a non-technical perspective, and why I think creators and local businesses should care about this personal AI assistant, and how I'm already using it in a few real ways, and how regular people can use OpenClaw to leverage what they're trying to do. First, I want to hit you with a disclaimer. This is how serious this is. I'm not telling you to go do reckless things with your machine, your bot, or your AI agent. I'm just showing you how I use it, what it does, and how I use it responsibly. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is serious. I had to do this disclaimer so y'all know how serious this is. And a non-technical guy like me is using it. All right, let's go. So, what is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is basically like a system with an AI assistant that does more than just talking. Like, it has tools. Like, it can browse the web to do research. It can organize your files. It can set reminders or even text you about things that you should be doing according to your plan, or text you and let you know things it has done on its own, and updating you on what it has done. So it don't just give you a plan or give you ideas. It helps you get those things done. So, because like ChatGPT is like a smart conversation with somebody, and it can help you with a lot of things. And then OpenClaw is like cool. I like the idea. I like the plan that we came up with. All right, so here's what I can do to help move this plan forward and actually get things done with the tools that I have at my disposal within my guardrails. You know what I'm saying? The key phrase to that is really the guardrails, because if you just let AI take over your computer, it's dangerous in the sense that it's a self-learning system. Not only is it built to learn your patterns and the things you do, or how you think, or how you learn, it learns how it learns. So it's self-improving. So it can, without guidance, it can do a lot of reckless things that it comes up with on its own, or it sees influences through the web or social media. So that's why it's dangerous, and that's why you gotta set the guardrails so it can do certain things that you want it to do within those guardrails. So who is this for? OpenClaw. Like, why? Who will use this? For me, personally, I think if you're a creator, got a lot of ideas, do a lot of research, you post it, trying to stay consistent with it, this helps with that. If you're a local business owner, you got juggling customers, reviews, admin work, scheduling, budgeting, this helps with that. Like, if you had a virtual assistant, or you have a virtual assistant, just think like that virtual assistant, whatever you ask a virtual assistant, you can ask your AI agent bot on your own laptop. because it helps with turning ideas into action. And that's what really got me interested in it, because I have a lot of ideas and I want to turn them to actions. And this helps me do it in a shorter amount of time versus with me trying to do everything on my own by myself. I just got help with this AI agent. Okay, the reason why, I'm gonna emphasize again, why people say don't touch it. Technical people get, I don't want to say weird, but they know the dark side of AI. They know what it can be without any guardrails, or just letting it do what it wants. So in the hands of somebody like me who don't know how to navigate that, it can cause real damage, especially when it stopped being a toy, like an AI generator for a pick. When it stopped being a toy and it gets access to personal things in my life that can cause real consequences, for whatever it does with that information, it's more than a toy now. It's really dangerous. It's something they don't want people like us to get in the hands of. But me personally, that's why I took it slow as far as like me working with my AI agent. I gave it guardrails, tight guardrails, what I wanted it to do and what it can do within those guardrails. And the more comfortable I get with my AI agent, or with this software, or with this technology, the more comfortable I get with it, the more I use it, and the looser I will let the guardrails, so it can start doing more on its own for me. And it's just you just sitting with it, working at it, tinkering with it, looking up stuff, because that's helped me a lot, looking up stuff on it, how other people are using it, and how they are setting up their security, sandboxing it, and setting up their guardrails. So it's just really just sticking with it, like, because it's not like a chatbot. This is what it's not, you know what I'm saying? It's its own thing. It's its own mind, and you give it tools, and it's going to do things with those tools based off how you feed its mind. So you feed it over time things that you want done, your goals, and how you go about doing things, how your schedules and stuff like that, and it helps with that. And to emphasize, like, it's not just chat GPT on your laptop, like you just regularly prompt it to do something, or having a conversation with another chatbot. Because like a regular AI chat is give me an idea or write me a caption, With OpenClaw, you can be like, take this project, help me move it forward with the tools you have based on the project need, and do it consistently. And it can do that without me having to look over his shoulder to do it. It can just do it. And I ain't gotta hold every detail in my head. It can just handle the little details for me. So it's like, instead of asking him like a one-off question, it can build workflows. Like with OpenClaw can do, if I was to want to build a workflow through automations, like with NAN, it can, I give it the access to NAN, a workflow builder for automations, and it can build a workflow for me, just based off a prompt that I use it, that I give it. And then it can like proactively do things, and proactively tell me things I need to get done. So if I wake up, I have something scheduled, it'll be like, hey, you got this schedule, so and so, and this is what you need to do to take care of that. Or if you want to help it with a presentation, it can build a presentation for you. Like, it's very capable of doing things that you're capable of doing on a laptop on its own with the tools that you would use. The AI agent or the AI bot will use also. Like, it's just a powerful thing. Like, especially like if you're a business, if you know your workflow and it you know where your bottlenecks are, it can automate or help you with those bottlenecks. And especially if it's something you can do on a laptop, it can do it on its own, and you just feed it that and it will do it. That's why it's helpful in a business aspect way, because it can save you time. It can save you research, R&D. It can help you with that if you can do it on a laptop. You want to write an ebook? I'll write it for you. And it's going to do it based off the research, and what you feed it in its mind. So it's just not a single chatbot where you just have a conversation with it. It actually like literally helps you get things done. So I'm gonna give you 5 practical ways that a creator or a local business can use OpenClaw. So if you got a idea for a video, it can help you. And you have an idea, you feed the idea to OpenClaw, and you say turn it into a video. It'll give you an outline of the video, and it can give you a clean hook, structure it, like I said, with the outline, and it can help you give you a filming checklist if you wanted to film it yourself. But if you wanted to create something or a video on its own, based off the tools that you give it, it can create that video based off the idea that you had. And you just gave the idea to OpenClaw, chat it, Telegram it. Hey, turn this into a video that I can promote on my page for IG. So format it, give you a hook, caption, I could do that. It also, if you are researching something and you have a whole bunch of tabs open, trying to go back and forth between things, connect the dots between things, it can do that for you if you give it where you want to find information at, or give an idea of what type of information you want it to go find on the internet or blogs or anything of that sort, and it can give you a summary of everything that is seen, cited sources, as far as what type of topic you're trying to research on, and it can give you a daily summary, weekly summary from what it's researched on. So you don't have to manually be going up all night looking through tabs, reading articles and blogs and magazines, and research. It can do it on its own for you, saving you time, just as efficient, if not even more efficient. Give you a summary, cited sources, and you can just take that and use it for whatever you need on your project. It can also help with content. Like I said, it can create content, but if you want to shoot your own videos, it can help you with scheduling the drops of your content. It can do it for you. I know there's a lot of AI, companies can do it. You can have this on your laptop and it can do it for you. And it can also edit the videos for you too. Like, this is what I'm gonna be using it for. I'm gonna feed my bot. I'm gonna put all my videos in a folder, and my bot's gonna go through those videos, and based on the type of content I want to put out and my pillars as far as like the message I want to put out to my audience. It will create videos around that. It will show me. I will give it an okay, yes or no, because it did all the video putting things together, and then I give it a yes or no, and it'll schedule for as throughout the week what it's gonna drop on what platform at what time, best time. Like, it optimizes it, so you don't have to keep up with the algorithm of when to drop what. You just get feeded the content that you want to drop, and you can tell it, I want 30 pieces of content for the month with around this topic, using these videos, using these pictures. Give it a caption, create videos, create captions, create hooks, thumbnails, and post it on YouTube, post it on IG. It can do that for you. This is how I'm gonna use it personally, because for me, I have a lot of ideas and don't have a lot of time to put them in play. So it's gonna help me organize that in that aspect, so I can get things done. Okay, so the last reason, or the fifth use case that OpenClaw can use is SOPs and templates. So if you feed it the workflow, if you do it more than once, because it analyzes what you do on this laptop. So if your work is on this laptop, you give it the permission and the prompt or command to analyze what you've been doing on this laptop. It can help you pinpoint, repeat things you do, and make it a template, or turn it into an SOP. Like, if you edit on this constantly, video editing, you like, man, I don't want AI edit. I can do all the editing myself. It can help you come up with a template based on how you've been editing. It can help you prep how to shoot the things you've been editing. It can help you publish it. Like, if you are a company or a business that onboard clients all the time, it can help you with that. It can come up with a template and a better way to onboard your client, so it's easy for you to onboard a client, which is quicker for you to get paid when a client is onboarded quickly, and you don't have to spend your resources or payroll or time for somebody to do that, or your energy to do that. Like it just helps you do things that you did once or twice, and it says, I can do that. If you want me to take it off your hand, I can repeat that for you, so you don't have to do that. It's just leverage. That's what you call leverage right there. You're just using OpenClaw to leverage things so it can buy you back more time to handle other things that you want to handle. Like, why wouldn't you want to use this? Okay, so you'll ask yourself, why are you making this video? B, why are you doing this? Why? And honestly, it's because I've been learning about AI systems, and I want to get to a point where I'm helping businesses implement AI systems into their business. A lot of big corporations and companies already have AI system implemented in their businesses, and it helps them save money. A lot of small businesses would love AI to help them save money, but maybe don't know how that can happen. And I just want to document my journey with AI systems, so it can be a proof that I am not just talking about helping your business. I'm showing you that I'm capable of helping your business, because I don't want to be the person like AI is coming. Like I want to be using it along the way. So when that future time comes where, because in the next 30 years, telling how are you going to be able to make money, because a lot of jobs is getting replaced by AI. So instead of getting replaced by AI, I want us to start using AI. So I can't be replaced. And I feel like having an AI agent and learning how the AI agent can do things for you, or leverage that it can do things for you, that it will help me down the line in the long run, especially with me personally, with my brands that I'm trying to build and companies that I want to build. So I feel like this can be helpful for me, and I just want to share with folks who, like I said, small businesses or creators who is interested, may be a little frightened or just confused or just don't know what AI is capable of and how it can help them and what they're trying to do. So I just want to show that this can work for you, because it worked for me. So for my next video, I'm gonna show a real workflow, real case uses that I've been using it for end to end, to show you how OpenClaw can work and how it's being used in real life, so you can see it for yourself from, like I said, a non-technical guy like me. So if you want that, comment that you want that. I'll be sure to tag you in the next video so you'll be up to date. And I just want to say, reiterate again that if you're non-technical like me, somebody who doesn't know anything about coding, let alone, just don't know anything about coding, non-technical at all, and is interested in the AI and AI agents, but it's just kind of like overwhelmed and scared, just know that we are in the same boat, because I'm the same way. But that's why I'm documenting it, so you can see that it's okay. We can do this. So I just want to say, that's it. Let's get dangerous. Let's just do it responsible. You know what I'm saying? If you need a guy, let me be that guy for you. I got you. I refresh.